Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to post in LinkedIn. So first of all, launch LinkedIn app and then make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now you'll see the option of post at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now over here, if you wish to, you can share your thoughts and you can also choose your audience accordingly. You can also add various photos, templates and calendar dates. Now if you tap on the three dots, you can see other various options like you can add events, celebrate, add job postings, add poll, documents and other services. So for now, I'm just gonna tap on the option of share your thought and then write a post for my LinkedIn account. So let me start by this. You can also schedule your post by tapping on the clock icon just beside the option of post. You can schedule your time accordingly over here. So I'm going to tap on the option of post. And there you have it. I have successfully been able to post on LinkedIn. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to post in LinkedIn as well. So this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.